Flat front versus pleated pants. Both styles have their unique features and suit different occasions and body types. Let's break down the differences. First, let's talk about flat front pants. As the name suggests, these pants have a smooth, flat appearance with no pleats at the front. This design creates a clean, streamlined look and is easily available off the rack. Flat front pants are typically seen as more modern and are a favorite in business and casual settings. They're great for slimmer silhouettes and provide a more fitted look around the hips and thigh. Now let's look at pleated pants. Pleated pants features folds or pleats at the front, which add extra fabric and room. Pleats can be single or double, and they serve both as a functional and aesthetic purpose. They offer more room and comfort, especially for those with larger thighs or those who prefer a looser fit. Pleated pants provide a classic and timeless look. They allow for greater ease of movement and can be more forgiving for various body types. Notice how they offer a bit more volume and structure. So which should you choose? It depends on your body type, style preference, and the occasion. If you prefer a modern, slim, and streamlined look, flat front pants are your go-to. They're ideal for sharp, business-like appearance, but on the other hand, if comfort and a classic aesthetic are your priorities, pleated pants might be the better choice. They offer a bit more room and can add that touch of formal sophistication to your outfit. Ultimately, the best choice is the one that makes you feel the most confident and comfortable. Thank you so much for watching.